Hi everyone, happy open house. If you are watching this video, it means your child is in one of my classes. I am Miss Dwyer. This is my first year teaching at Eastview, and this is my first year teaching. I student taught here in the spring, so I am familiar with the building and the curriculum and all the staff here. I was super excited to get hired here as well. I'm the softball coach here, so I've been the softball coach. This will be my third year. So again, familiar with some of the kids and just really excited to be here. As far as this class goes, I've sent out a few things already emailed to you guys. I'll send them out in campus. So I like to send them to the students and the parents just so that everyone is on the same page. If it's related to things that are due, ways to access our course materials, and all of that, I like to be everyone kind of on the same page there. So if you have questions with that, please always ask. Our Schoology page is organized by weeks. So if we're in week 1, go to week 1. If you're in week 2, go to week 2. The kids will always have access to those folders. So if there's one week where they just don't get it done, they'll always have access to go back and look through all of our course materials. Best way to reach me is email, Schoology message, whichever. You can usually expect that I'll get back to you within the day. If it's sent in the evenings, it might not be till the next morning, but I try to check those both frequently if anyone has questions. Yeah, so I'm excited for a good year. Please let me know if you guys have questions. The students have already been awesome the first 2 weeks, online and in person. So just really excited for these kids to get back into school.